Hello, this is Cora, and I wanted to talk to you today about the issue that I've been having ever since COVID-19 has come into play. It started with these borders right here. Of course, it took only a couple days to put the border down. So, do you know what we had to do next? We had to go find some mulch to put down. So we put the mulch down and tried to clean out some of the ivy. And then we rearranged our flower beds, put this little water bath up here for the birds, the bird bath. And then we moved some hostas around to different parts of the yard. And then it became my husband's birthday, so we had to buy this bird, which I really do like. He has a lot of personality. Let me show you what he does. Hold on. Look at him. Doesn't he look like he's flying? Isn't he cool? So, along with him and all these other types of art that we have in the backyard, along with all these plants that I have basically taken from other plants and planted them, and then tried to train back the ivy, along with putting out the hostas. Got some mint over here too, as well as some bushes. So this is kind of what it looks like back here. And of course, I had to rearrange some bushes and put some other plants down. And then we have this bottle tree that's supposed to take away all the wicked, evil spirits. So then I had to clean this part of the yard out that hadn't been cleaned for years. Put some little potted plants out. And then all of this on the side with these hostas, I moved them from some other part of the yard. I had this little picket fence because my little Vern, my little French bulldog, loves to eat hostas and other plants. So I put these here just so he won't go for them. It's kind of sunny right there, so it's not a really good picture, but anyway. So this is what it looks like from we get this greenhouse that's been very helpful. Saved a couple plants from last year. That was nice. And then we have a fig tree that we got a couple years ago that's done well, growing some herbs. So this is kind of what my life has looked like in the last couple of months. And as I said earlier, being addicted to gardening and trying to create a unique looking space has been something that I have truly enjoyed, and hope that you have enjoyed our little tour. So, from my house in the back to your house, I hope you have enjoyed this little video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.